4 factors about inflatable packaging material prices. Number 1. Material. Different materials have different prices. We have LDPE material, HDPE material, also craft paper type material, and we also have PE with nylon material. So if you are looking for inflatable packaging solution, please let us know which material you request. Number 2. Different sizes, different prices. We can make customized packaging solutions according to your product shape and size. Number 3. Different thickness, different price. The thickness can be changed according to your requirements. So if you are looking for stronger or durable packaging solutions, we can use thick material according to your requirement. Number 4. Different printing, different price. Normally our product is transparent without printing. If you have requirements on the customized printing, we can do customized printing for you. So please feel free to contact us and let us know your requirement. So let us be your packing expert. If you have any packing needs, please feel free to contact us. We will make different packing solutions for your choice, and we are always here for you.